idea is that we have to limit growth to save the planet. If we limit growth, poor people starve. Depends on how much fighting we want to do. And maybe if we
like I'll have a bit and I'll have the bit fully structured. You know, that I have interacting with the crowd, taken to a different. Ready to go outside? Oh, she's excited. He's excited, yeah. Ooh, she barely started. Oh, that was a close one. I think it's time to get some new batteries. But she started.
you. Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Thank you, man. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks.
Well, it looks like this might be the end of the road here. I'm gonna take a quick walk up and see what it looks like around the corner, but it's looking pretty drifted in right now, and I don't know if I want to risk driving into this stuff. You know. Yeah, it's looking like about 6 inches of very hard, compacted snow. It's not really worth trying to go up there with this big rig. It's not exactly a deep snow machine. So I think this might be the end of the trip here. I'll just drive up just a little bit up into here and then set up a camera for some time lapse, because those clouds rolling over the bridges are really beautiful right now.
50s were, I mean, and then also dealing with the
Yeah, that's the end. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty chilly out there when you have to operate camera equipment in that temperature. I think it's time to make the way back down the road and find a nice place to camp tonight. Well, this is pretty cool. They plowed out the campsite up here on Battle Ridge. That's nice to see, because it gives you an option to come up and camp up here in the wintertime. Damn this Rona. Oh my God.